Most people talk about success, but only a few actually work for it. And most people want appreciation, but only a few are willing to do the work quietly, behind the scenes. This message is for you, the one who is putting in the effort every single day without telling anyone. If you are working in silence, you are already way ahead of the crowd. You see, silence is strength. When you stop telling everyone your plans, you save your energy, you protect your focus. You stop seeking approval from others, and you stop wasting precious time. When you work silently, you put all your effort into action, not into explaining yourself over and over again. Success isn't created by noise. It's built on discipline, daily effort, and unwavering consistency. The journey of self-improvement is not always easy. In fact, it's often quiet. It can feel lonely at times. You might feel like people don't notice what you're doing, or that no one really understands your goals. But that's perfectly okay. Real growth doesn't happen in a crowd. It happens when you choose to distance yourself from all the distractions and concentrate on becoming a better version of yourself. While others are relaxing, you're working. While others are wasting time, you're building your future. While others are looking for shortcuts, you're staying focused on the path. This quiet, unseen effort is shaping a stronger, more resilient you. One day, people will see your success, but they'll never see the silent moments when you pushed yourself beyond your limits, learned something new, or just kept going when it felt impossible. They won't see the sacrifices, the late nights, the early mornings, or the doubts you had to fight through. Everyone notices the results, but almost no one sees the process. That's precisely why working in silence is so powerful. Your results will do all the talking when the time is right. Silence also protects your dreams. When people don't know your plans, they can't judge them, they can't discourage you, and they can't interfere with your vision. But think of it like a seed. It grows underground, in darkness, without any attention. Your success will also rise at just the right time. This daily progress is what creates those big, life-changing results. But they aren't competing with anyone else but the person they were yesterday. So if you're out there working quietly, keep going. You're not alone. Your discipline is your greatest asset. Your focus is your superpower. And your silence is the foundation of the incredible success that's coming your way. Don't worry about the applause now. The masterpiece you're creating will get a standing ovation later. Keep building, keep growing, and trust the process. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to fuel your journey. Keep up the great work.